Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chocolate ganache. This easy method will help you create a rich, velvety chocolate ganache that's perfect for many uses. We'll focus on a simple 2-ingredient approach, ensuring delicious results every single time. You'll also learn how to adjust the consistency for different applications, from a pourable sauce to a thicker filling. Get ready to elevate your chocolate game. To begin, you'll need just a few simple items. First, gather 8 ounces of your favorite quality chocolate, whether it's bittersweet or semi-sweet, and make sure it's finely chopped. Next, you'll need 8 ounces of heavy cream. This creates that wonderfully rich and smooth texture. For tools, grab a heat-proof bowl, a small saucepan, and a sturdy whisk or rubber spatula. That's all it takes to get started on this delightful treat. Making the ganache is surprisingly straightforward. First, gently heat your heavy cream in a small saucepan over medium-low heat until small bubbles appear around the edges, but do not let it boil. Remove it from the heat and immediately pour the hot cream over your finely chopped chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Let it sit undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the chocolate to soften. Then, starting from the center, gently whisk until the mixture becomes a smooth, glossy, and perfectly emulsified ganache. Now that you've made your delicious ganache, it's time to enjoy it. For a luxurious hot chocolate, simply whisk 1 or 2 generous spoonfuls into a mug of warm milk. It also makes an incredible, decadent topping for ice cream, brownies, or pancakes, and a rich filling for cakes or cupcakes. Any leftover ganache can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next chocolate craving. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.